Hello, big boys and girls, first graders. Are you ready to start a new lesson in our English? All right. I want to first remind you of the books again and introduce you. So this is a small book and it's Reading and Writing Workshop. That says California Reading and Writing Workshop. Wonders, look at that. I love this book. And then we have the second book. It's bigger than the first one, and it's literature anthology. I know it's a big word, isn't it? But if I need you to read this book or to bring this book or to get ready for this book, I will say, and I will tell you the big book because it's a bit bigger, a little bigger than the first one. And then we have the practice book, which is close reading book, as you see. Close reading companion. And that will be, let me show you a little bit from inside. That will be practice for the stories that we read in the previous books. So let's go to our first book, Reading and Writing. So get ready and let's see what's in the first story or chapter for our book. So it says here, the concept of the week or the concept for this week or for this lesson. So let's listen.
Weekly concept at school. Essential question. What do you do at your school?
All right. So weekly concept, every story will start with something like that. Small box on the top telling you the weekly concept or the theme or what the story about. And then we're going to have a small question here, essential question. What do you do at your school? So we will be reading or looking at story, and then we're going to answer a question that it's mentioned on the top over here. So this question, essential question, says, what do you do at your school? All right. So let's see first what this girl's doing in their school, and then we will talk about our turn. So let's listen.
Back to school. Talk about it. What are these girls doing in school?
I know it's back to school and we're supposed to be in our school, but because of, what's going on, we need to be safe. And we will be doing some learning and teaching through computers. But then soon we'll be back to our class and we'll be seeing each other. We're gonna interact and talk and play, but we'll be following probably different rules than before. But if we have this book and we have the story, so we need to know what's in the story. As you see, where are these children? You got it, they are in school. So what do you think these girls are doing? What do you think they were doing? Coloring, painting, drawing. So they have art class, right? Awesome. So in school, what do? We learn. Yes, we have fun, sure. And we meet each other, of course. We play. Yeah. But again, as I told you, because of that COVID-19, we're not allowed to be in school yet, but we have to learn. This is an opportunity, we can't miss it. So we will be learning through videos and classes online. And when it's safe to be back to our school, we will be back to our school. So as we say, children do lots of fun activity at school, but we will try to do lots of these activities at home, and we can also have fun. So back to school, it's that lesson that we will be talking and the concept of this lesson. So what do you do at your school? So you remember when you were in kindergarten, what did you do when we were in a school? I know you learned, I know you played, right? I know we line up, we follow line, we follow instruction from our teacher, we stay safe. Very good. So this is the weekly concept. Let's turn the page and learn few words. All right, these are words to know. Does, not, school, what? So 4 new words. I'm sure you heard them before, probably even you know how to read them. I know you big boys and girls, first graders know a lot. So we're gonna read the sentence and then it's gonna be your turn to read them and then you can make up another sentence. So for example, does. Dane does his best work. So as you see, the boy sitting, holding his paper and pencils, and he's doing his work. Awesome. Not. What do you look at the picture? So I can see they're in school. Yes, and the teacher probably give them one simple rule. Do not run at school. Very good. And then we have school. We read a lot in school, but I'm sure you also read at home. And then what? What can we play today? So they're all standing and they're thinking, what can we play today? Right? So I'm gonna read the word and put different sentence. All right, so I'm gonna use each word highlighted here in green and I'm gonna use it in a different sentence. And then it's gonna be your turn to do the same. So first word, does. I'm gonna use does for question. I'm gonna say, does a cat nap? Does a cat nap? Not. Fatima is not sad. Fatima is not sad. School. I like school. What? What can we read today? So, listen.
Your turn. Say the sentence for each word, then make up another sentence.
Very good. So now it's going to be your turn to say each word and then make up a sentence in your head. All right? Awesome. So that's it. You're going to get your notebook and you're going to write the word does, not, school, what, and try to put it in a sentence. If you cannot write all the words, try to spell it out. Don't worry, we will learn a lot. And I know it's not that easy to be far because if we are together, we will be having lots of activity, but we will be doing it regardless. So don't worry, things will be absolutely perfect. So these are the new words. And back to page 8 and 9, the weekly concept was at school. And your essential question was, what do you do at your school? We explained what these girls are doing, and we know that they are coloring or painting or drawing. And we learned that this was our reading and writing workshop book, the small short one. All right, I'll leave you with that little activity and have fun. Thank you. Bye-bye, big boys and girls.